Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can amend chart of accounts on MyT accounting software. To amend chart of accounts, we need to go to settings, and there is a subsection called general settings. From here we need to go to third section, which is called all accounts, and in my case I want to add additional sales category called sales products. So it will go under income. So when I expand, I can see I have sales cleaning services, but I want to add new code. So you need to click on this icon, add a number. So if I have cleaning services 4001, I can actually add it's 40,000, sorry, 40,011. There is no opening balance, and I will call sales products. And once you have added this information, click save. Okay, now I can see sales products below there. The same applies if I want to separate and add separate cost of sales code. So I have cleaning liquids and cleaning materials. So if I want to add new line, then I can click add account, select cost of sales code, so for example 50,000 free, and there is no opening balance, and I can call costs of sales I will call services, and click save. So this creates additional code there. So this is a way how you can amend chart of accounts, for example, add or separate sales or cost of sales codes, as well as add any other codes which are missing from chart of accounts but you want to wish when you record your business transactions. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to MyT accounting software tutorial, as well as my review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.